Hello, everyone, and welcome to CISSP Exam Essentials with Professor Derek A. Smith. Today in Essentials number 38, I'm going to help you understand security risks that input devices can pose. For the exam, you need to know the purpose of firmware. You need to be able to describe process isolation, layering, abstraction, data hiding, and hardware segmentation. And you need to understand how security policy drives system design, implementation, testing, and deployment. Let's begin with understanding security risks that input devices can pose. Input-output devices can be subject to eavesdropping and tapping, used to smuggle data out of an organization, or used to create unauthorized, insecure points of entry into an organization's systems and networks. For the exam, you need to be prepared to recognize and mitigate such vulnerabilities. And also, in real life, you need to be able to do this as well. Next, let's talk about know the purpose of firmware. Firmware is software stored on a ROM chip. At the computer level, it contains the basic instructions needed to start a computer. Firmware is also used to provide operating instructions in peripheral devices such as printers. Let's discuss be able to describe process isolation, layering, abstraction, and so on. So process isolation ensures that individual processes can access only their own data. Layering creates different realms of security within a process and limits communication between them. Abstraction creates black box interfaces for programmers to use without requiring knowledge of an algorithm's or device's inner workings. Data hiding prevents information from being read from a different security level. And hardware segmentation enforces process isolation with physical controls. Last, let's look at understand how security policy drives system design, implementation, testing, and deployment. The role of a security policy is to inform and guide the design, development, implementation, testing, and maintenance of some particular system. Everything we do is in order to enforce those policies. All right, everybody, that's essential number 38. Of course, I get much deeper into each one of these in my Get CISSP Certified course. If you want to know how to pass the 2018 exam, you should check out my video, A Surefire Method to Help You Ace the Exam. Also, if you're interested in getting CISSP training live at home online, go to my website, www.getcissspcertified.com. And while you're there, go ahead and download my free guide, How to Become a CISSP and Pass the Exam on Your First Try. I will see you on the next Essential.